Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Harshni. This video is going to be very interesting on a very interesting topic, feeding birds. Feeding birds makes a world of difference in an individual's life as well as for our planet. It helps to restore the balance of nature. When we feed birds, we help more birds and their offspring survive. The most important benefit of feeding birds is simply the pleasure and the inner calmness that their company can bring us. Looking at beautiful birds like parrot, sparrow and pigeon in garden, we get sense of satisfaction that we are doing something good. The relaxing, joyful chopping sound of birds can make our day even more wonderful. Our small efforts can provide food and water to birds in barren months. It enhances the survival rate of birds and their offspring. I mostly come to this park to feed birds, and it gives me happiness and joyful. I feel joyful. Thank you.